Good afternoon, everybody. I woke up late today. It is currently 11:12, and I just woke up. That's great. Cool. Also, I did not wake up in jeans, just telling you that. Today, we're going to the store to get some stuff for the 4th of July. Coming up in like 2 days, July 2nd, 3rd, 4th, 2 days, and we're gonna go to the store to get some stuff. Can you guess what store we're going to?
No one cares about what store you're going to.
Dollar Tree. We're going to Dollar Tree. We're going to Dollar Tree, Mason.
Really? Out of all the stores that you could have picked, you picked Dollar Tree?
Hey, do not insult Dollar Tree. Do you hear me? Don't insult Dollar Tree. Dollar Tree is such a good store. I've gotten some of my best stuff there.
Why? Some of your best stuff.
Dude, come on. Dollar Tree has some of the best stuff out there. I know Mom says not to get any food because, you don't know where it came from. Like, man, whenever I walk down the food aisle and, I see the pickles, it's really hard not to just, take one off the shelf and...
Okay, we get the point. You really like pickles, alright? There's no need to keep going with that conversation.
Right, sorry. What was I talking about?
You're talking about which store you were going to go to.
Oh, yeah, right. When did you get a blanket on you?
That's not important.
Okay, well, the things that I want to get done today. I want to go to the bank and do bank stuff. I'm going to go to Walmart because I need to get a new SD card. So after that, we're going to go to the Dollar Tree, Mason, to get some 4th of July stuff. And then we're going to go to Marshall's for no reason. My candles are really low. Actually, I don't think either of these light anymore. I think the wick is gone. But first, I want to organize my desk.
That was so useless. Why did you even have that break?
Hey bro, you want to go to the store?
Stop, bro. No.
You don't want to go to the store?
Not with you.
What do you mean? I'm a good driver.
That is completely a lie. You're actually terrible. A meteorite from the moon could drive better than you. Anything. I could pick up a rock and put it in the driver's seat. and it would drive better than you.
I'm going to Dollar Tree.
Oh wait, really?
Yeah, yeah.
Alright, I'll go.
The thing won't fit in my wallet, so I'm gonna have to put it in this thing. Otherwise, like, I don't really know. Like, ow, Yenna! Yenna, you hit me in the face! You hit me in the face! Yenna! Stop!
Go away from me. I'm a freaking recorder.
The recorder.
The wreck.
I can't find any poppets. It's sad.
You can't find poppets. Tell me.
This is turning out to be a massive failure. I drove all the way out here for nothing. Well, maybe not for nothing. Do they have any 4th of July stuff over here?
No pop.
No poppets, man. Oh my gosh, dude. I thought this was a real fruit for a second. Dude! Dude, these are so squishy. Squish it.
It doesn't matter.
They look real, dude. They're so squishy.
Eyes are playing tricks.
No, look. You can't tell me that at first glance you didn't think this was a real apple.
Put those cones in the middle of the road, block it off. Make the driver get out and pick them up just to put 5 more.
What the heck?
Say my name.
Don't say my name on camera. It's a dolphin.
There's an orca. What are you on?
It's not an orca. I know what an orca looks like.
Like I would just got any money and I'm just going and spending it on a grill scrubber, a second grill scrubber, dish soap, and heavy duty scrubbing pads.
I'm getting the dolphins.
I need some snacks.
Okay, we're getting a dolphin and we're getting an orca. This is important. You here for the pig skins? The pig skin crisps? The potato skins?
They're not. They're literally pork rinds.
Oh, pork rinds, that's what they're called.
Buy the freaking. Hey.
What?
Buy the beer nut.
Beer. What do we got, guys? Didn't find any fireworks, which kind of defeated the purpose of me leaving. I found this thing. Oh my gosh, I'm gonna be a terrible adult. I found a dolphin, an orca, I found some body wax for my legs, and a candle. And an SD card, which is in the camera right now.
You didn't get what you were supposed to get, though. You didn't get anything for the 4th of July.
It's fine, it'll be fine. We'll figure something out. I got Subway though, that's what's important. Subway! This is what I woke up to. This guy and this guy. What if we sent him to space?
Him?
Yeah.
That'd be fun. Because he wouldn't cry. If you actually had a baby in space, just say you're just sitting on the moon, yeah? And your baby starts crying. Why are you crying? And it just keeps crying and screaming. And you're just like, shut up. It doesn't shut up. It's like, you want to keep crying? Go ahead. Just keep crying. And then you tell your partner, crank it up to 9G. So this dude cranks up the thrusters and you start heading for Earth. And then you literally hit 9G coming through the atmosphere and the baby suffocates and dies because it cannot breathe. And that's how you fix the problem of your baby crying in space. It literally just dies. That's how it happens. You know?
I'm gonna film you so you won't eat off the top of my cereal. That's what I thought. You got this absolute gremlin eating off the top of my cereal. You're disgusting. Oh no. What are you doing?
I'm pointing a gun at you.
Oh, the tip. Oh, just take the tip off so it looks real. Thank you. Demonetized. YouTube, spare me, please. You're just looking at yourself in the mirror with the gun. And he's gone. What are you, man? Need content, man. You shooting Roman candles off while you're riding your motorcycle is content. You gon'
Pay me for that.
What do you mean? You're gonna use it in your video too. I'll let you.
I'm only using it in my video. If you want to use it for yours, you're gonna need to pay $2.99 a month.
Alright, this really is a cult now, guys. You can't call it anything else. Although, he's coming. Whoa! Look, it hit the plant. Oh my! Oh! I guess it's a good thing we didn't chase after them. It was like right in front of us. Oh my gosh! Hey!
You were inside
Get
for that.
inside! I just got hit by a firework in the leg. Bro, the smoke detector's going off! Ah! Why is there a hose? Why is there a hose?
I was grabbing this and I looked out. Oh, where they're playing.
Throw it at them? Is that what I heard?
Yeah, no.
What the? What is that? What is it accomplishing?
It's like a tiny snake.
It's just on fire though.
No, it ain't.
Look.
Hot shot Roman candles. I don't want to go out there.
Ooh! Ooh, that was close. Woo-hoo. Ooh, guess who's here? Oh, they're here. Hey! Bruh, Nazir, shine a light on her.
I am the life of the party.
What are y'all doing, Kumbaya? Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. What is going on? Bruh. Whoa. Whoa, it looks like literal lava. Bro, what's wrong with him? Wait.
Can we go chase after that?
Bro, if you want to,
Want me?
I'll follow you, sure.
Okay.
Although, he's
You walk.
coming. Whoa! Whoa! That's being the beginning. Oh. Oh my gosh. Look, it hit the plant. Oh my. Oh. I guess it's a good thing we didn't chase after them. It was like right in front of us. Oh my gosh.
Catches fire. Everybody go in and grab a handful of books.
Uh-huh. Save the books. Dude, they just sprinted.
Just to make it easy.
Bruh, you guys almost got hit. Hey,
You were inside
get
for
inside.
that.
I just got hit by a firework in the leg. I just got hit in my knee. I just got hit by a firework. The smoke detector.
Ow. Was somebody on fire?
Bro, the smoke detector's going off.
Door closed. The dog will come out. Watch out.
Close the door, close the door. Oh, man.
I was trying to go take my shower.
Bro, I got hit in the knee. Ah!
I legit.
Why is there a hose? Why is there a hose?
I was grabbing
Water
this.
the flower bed and the front.
I was grabbing this, and I looked out.
Those things will hit.
Oh, it was
I wish I got it on camera. I
And
got hit. Oh my gosh.
there's smoke everywhere.
Dude.
And I'm like, I looked and I do.
I didn't know.
Let's go inside right quick. Right here.
We got saved.
I thought I was good
Let's
on.
go, Nathan. You saved us. Let's go. You
Dude, I thought I was good on the porch, but then the fireworks were like.
Yeah, we were on the porch.
That's the dangerous one.
Yeah. Bro, it's nuts, man.
That is dangerous.
Get it recording.